Good morning. We've got a band of cloud and rain sinking south across England and Wales at the moment. As that moves into the south, behind it we'll have sunshine and showers, but quite a blustery day. I'll have all the details in about half an hour.
Morning.
Oh, thank you for that, Naga. Good morning, everybody. It's wet this morning. Naga's not completely wrong, actually, in what she's saying. It's going to be quite a blustery day, gusty winds, particularly across the northwest, and we've got a band of cloud and rain sinking southwards, as you can see from one of our Weather Watchers pictures taken earlier this morning. So today's forecast is a cool one, a breezy one, and also a showery one. It will be slightly cooler than it was yesterday in some parts. We've got the weather front which has already left us, but this is the second one coming south that's producing the cloud and the rain. And if you look at the squeeze in the isobars, that's telling you, particularly in the northwest, gusty winds. Now, these are the kind of temperatures that will greet you if you're just stepping out now. But for some of us, particularly parts of England and Wales, the temperature is 17 or 18 as we speak. So that's quite high for this time of day at this time of year. So there goes our first weather front taking its rain. Here's the second one sinking southwards, and it will continue to do so as we go through the rest of this morning. Quite murky conditions across the southwest of England. Some low cloud, some poor visibility, mist and fog. And as that system sinks south, it will still have patchy rain on it and a fair bit of cloud. But behind it, we're looking at some bright skies, some sunshine, and also some showers. But don't forget the brisk winds, gusting 40-45 miles an hour with exposure in the northwest. Later, we could even have gusts 50 miles an hour across the Northern Isles. Temperatures in the range 15 to about 21 degrees. Now, as we head on through the evening and overnight, our front sinks southwards as a fairly weak affair, but it is going to pivot round, and it looks very much like through tomorrow it's going to come back again. So Friday, first thing in the morning, not a cold start to the day, not quite as mild as it is at the moment. There'll be some clear skies, but there'll also be a plethora of showers, particularly so in the north. And showers really will be the name of the game, coming in across parts of the south and sinking towards the southeast. Now, its northern extent might yet change. So if you're doing something outside, do keep in touch with the weather forecast. But this is what we think it's going to do at the moment. Move north of that, bright spells, sunshine and showers once again. Some of the showers could be heavy and thundery, being blown in again on a brisk wind across Northern Ireland and Scotland. But that brisk wind will carry some of them over towards the east as well. On Friday, temperatures down a touch. Today, 20-21. Tomorrow, we're looking at 17, 18 and 19. Then as we head on from Friday into the weekend, we've got the Azores high, which is building in the south, but low pressure still very close to the north. And that means that things will be a little bit more settled in southern areas, but still quite windy in the north. Good morning, both. Well, John, yes, we've got a lot of fog around in Cornwall this morning, as you can see here from our lovely Weather Watchers picture. In fact, southwest England prone to low cloud, mist and fog, and poor visibility first thing this morning. But for most of us, it's going to be breezy and showery after what is a relatively mild start to the day. Temperatures at the moment, north to south, about 12 to 18 degrees. We've also got this weather front producing some rain, and that rain has been steadily pushing southwards through the course of the night. Some heavy bursts in it, but as it continues to sink southwards through the rest of the day, that rain will turn a bit more patchy in nature and there'll be a lot of cloud associated with it. One or two bright spells in the southeast, but mostly cloudy today. Now, north of that, we're looking at a mixture of bright spells, sunshine and showers, and gusty winds, gusting 40-45 miles an hour with exposure in the northwest, but even inland, you'll notice that. But temperatures up a touch on yesterday with highs of 21. The headlines are coming up next. Rightly said, it is breezy and showery, and for some of us it's also quite a murky start to the day in southwest England, for example. Now, we've got this weather front sinking southwards. That's bringing its cloud and rain with it, and the rain has been continuing to fall through the course of the night as it slips steadily southwards. Gusty winds today across the northwest and the north in particular, but inland you will certainly notice that breeze. So there goes our weather front with its increasingly patchy rain, a lot of cloud in the south with one or two bright spells, and behind that we're looking at bright spells, sunny skies and some showers. But with this brisk southwesterly wind, we are also seeing those showers not just in Scotland and Northern Ireland, but blowing over towards the east of both Scotland and Northern England as well. Temperatures 15 in the north to 21 in the south. Now, as we head on through the evening and overnight, our weather front sinks south as a band of cloud over towards the east. It's not going to be a cold night, but it's not going to be as mild a start to the day tomorrow as it is at the moment. At the moment, we've got temperatures between 12 and 18 degrees. So, starting the day tomorrow, our weather front looks like it's going to come back in our direction, pep up a bit and bring some rain in through the southwest and slip down towards the southeast. Now, the position of this could change. It might be a wee bit further north or south. So if you have outdoor plans, do keep tuned to the weather forecast. But on the other side of that weather front, a lot of dry weather, a fair bit of sunshine around, and also some showers. And some of those showers could be heavy and thundery, particularly so in Western Scotland and Northern Ireland. But some of those showers will also again be blown over towards the east. Temperatures down a touch, so feeling a little bit cooler on Friday. Then as we head into the weekend, we've got the Azores high building, so-called because it's near the Azores. And we've also got the low pressure, again, some brisk winds. Some showers getting into Northern Ireland and a few getting in across northwestern parts, for example, of England. But for the rest of England and Wales, largely dry, but still feeling cool. You could catch the odd rogue shower, but they'll be the exception rather than the rule. And then for Sunday, well, we can see what's happening overnight Saturday into Sunday. We've got this system just coming and bringing some showery rain across Northern Ireland, southern Scotland, northern England and Wales. And during the course of Sunday, that will be with us too. But to the north of that, brighter skies, but still feeling cool.
Yeah, what's the point, Carol? Seriously, you've just put like, something grey there. You've attributed it to poor Mike making critical comments about his photography skills. You just put a bit of grey up.
This is all nonsense. You know what? Cornwall is beautiful in any weather, as you can see from Mike's lovely picture.
We can't see, can we?
Well, you can. If I get out of the way, you can see a bit of headlands.
Move a bit more that way. Bit more.
Yes, thank you very much, Naga and John. Good morning to you. It's not just Cornwall that's quite foggy. We've got some mist also in the Isle of Wight. Southern areas actually are seeing a fair bit of cloud, murky conditions and some rain. But north of that, for the rest of us, it's going to be a blustery day with sunshine and also some showers. Now, this is a weather front. It's producing a fair bit of cloud and rain, not just on the weather front, but a lot of cloud ahead of it as well. And through the course of the day, that weather front will continue to sink southwards, eventually much later in the day, clearing the far south of England. But we've got another weather front across the northwest, enhancing showers. And if you look at those isobars, that's telling you some brisk winds. In fact, we'd have gusts of wind today with exposure in the northwest of 40-45 miles an hour. In the Northern Isles later, 50 miles an hour. So there goes the weather front with its increasingly patchy rain heading south. Behind it, we've got that mixture of sunshine and showers. Some of those showers will be heavy, as denoted by the greens and yellows. And with this brisk southwesterly wind, we won't just see them in the west of Scotland and Northern Ireland. They'll be blowing eastwards. We could see some even as far as eastern England, coming in across parts of Wales. But you can see in between all those showers, there's a lot of dry weather and a fair bit of sunshine. And temperatures today, well, 14 in Lerwick to about 21 in London and also Norwich. Now, through this evening and overnight, there goes that weather front into the south, taking its cloud into the Channel Islands. Behind it, yes, there'll be areas of cloud, but there'll also be clear skies, and still those showers coming in the brisk southwesterly wind. Temperature-wise, 11 to about 14 degrees. So not quite as mild a night as the one that has just gone, but it won't feel particularly cold if you're out early doors. So tomorrow, remember that weather front going down towards the Channel Islands? It looks like it's going to turn around and come back in through the southwest, pushing down towards the southeast, taking its rain with it. Now, the northern extent of this could well change. So if you have outdoor plans, do keep watching the weather forecast. And you can also see north of that, we're looking at a mixture of bright spells, meaning it'll be cloudy at times with some showers and also some sunshine, but still a brisk wind blowing some of those showers over towards the east. And some of them, particularly in Western Scotland and Northern Ireland, could be heavy and thundery. By Saturday, well, we've got a ridge of high pressure building in across southern areas, so things fairly settled. Low pressure close to Scotland, introducing again some showers and still quite windy conditions. The wind having veered to a northwesterly, that's a cooler direction for us, and temperatures 11 to 17, so the temperatures are going down. And as we head on into Sunday, well, overnight Saturday into Sunday, we'll have a feature coming in across Northern Ireland, Scotland, northwest England and Wales. And through Sunday, that's going to be pushing its showers, heading steadily southwards. Now, in between those showers, there'll be some bright skies, even some sunshine. And behind those showers, we'll also see some sunshine, but still in the cool side with highs up to 18. The headlines are coming up next. Lily. Absolutely. This is Midlothian, sent in by one of our regular weather watchers, Barbarella. The sun is out already, and there will be lots of sunshine today across parts of Scotland. There'll be some showers as well, though. What we have is a weather front sinking south, bringing its cloud and increasingly patchy rain with it. Behind that, breezy and showery, but also with some sunshine in between. Now, this weather front is what's bringing the rain we have at the moment, and murky conditions, particularly in the southwest of England. Here, visibility is poor, and especially so in Cornwall. But all around this band of rain, which is continuing to sink southwards, there's a lot of cloud, and there's a lot of cloud just ahead of it as well. Now, in the south, we will see one or two brighter breaks today, but the emphasis will be on a lot of cloud with that patchy rain. Whereas on the other side of that weather front, we're looking at a mixture of bright spells, sunshine, and also some showers. But strong, gusty winds across the northwest of Scotland, with exposure 40 to 45 mile an hour gusts, 50 mile an hour gusts later across the Northern Isles. But even inland, you will notice a brisk breeze today. Temperatures 15 to 21 degrees. Now, as we head on through the evening and overnight, there goes our weather front, sinking south, taking its cloud into the Channel Islands. Behind that, some clear skies, still areas of cloud, and still those showers coming in on the brisk breeze. And like through the day today, some of those showers will be blown over towards the east. It's not going to be a cold night. Our overnight low is 9 to 13 degrees, but it's not going to be as mild as it was this morning, where top to toe at the moment, temperatures are 12 to 18. So tomorrow, our weather front, which has sunk south through the night, pivots, rejuvenates, and then starts to slip down towards the southeast, taking its rain with it. Now, the northern edge of this may well change, so if you've got outdoor plans tomorrow, do keep checking the weather forecast. But behind that weather front, a lot of dry weather, a fair bit of sunshine, and still those showers. And those showers still being blown in from the west towards the east on a brisk wind. The showers across Western Scotland and Northern Ireland at times could well be heavy and thundery, and it's going to start to cool down just a touch. Our top temperature tomorrow, 19 degrees. Then as we head into the weekend, we've got the Azores high building across southern areas. Low pressure still in the north, close to Scotland, means for you we're looking at breezier conditions with a fair few showers. But come south, yes, there'll be one or two showers, but there'll still be a load of sunshine to enjoy. Have a good day.